Namaste. If you are a content creator, you know that adding captions manually can take a lot of time. But now with the AI you can generate the captions automatically, quickly and accurately. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using CaptionBolt. Hi, I'm Rushi and you're watching Code by Rushi. Let's get started. Thanks to CaptionBolt AI for sponsoring today's video. Open the official CaptionBolt link from the description. This is the main CaptionBolt interface. Click on Login, then select Sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main project window. Click Choose a video and upload the video that you want to edit. After that, select the language of your video. You can use the auto detect or manually choose from the available languages. Since my video in English, I select the English and click Create a video. CaptionBolt will start processing the video and it generates the captions surprisingly fast. Let's play the video.
How long do you take to reach 60 million?
Probably 13 years.
13 años.
Yeah, it took me like...
You think I'm gonna beat you? You think honest?
No.
You think honest?
No.
As you can see that the caption looks clean, professional and accurately synchronized with the video. Now let's look at the caption styles. CaptionBolt offers more than 300 different caption styles. The interesting part is that you can see the styles applied in real time while your video is playing. You can also hover over the style to preview it before applying it. I will choose this style for my video. Now click on edit icon. You can fully customize the captions. You can change the font weight, size, colors, alignment, position, text case, line spacing, vertical position, outline, shadows, backgrounds, and animation style and speed. If you want to use your own font, that's also possible. Go to the dashboard, click Fonts and select the Upload another font. Now choose the font from your computer. Once uploaded, it will appear in the font library and you can use it for your projects. Next, we have a text editor. Here, you can see the all automatically generated captions with their timestamps. You can click on any caption, manually add the text whenever you need to make a correction. Another really useful feature is remove pauses. When you enable this option, CaptionBolt automatically remove the unnecessary silence from the video. You can also choose how much silence should be removed. For example, my original video is 32 seconds long. After removing the unnecessary pauses, it becomes just 27 seconds. That can save a lot of time. Next, we have Resize. You can choose the popular aspect ratios like 16:9, 9:16, 1:1 and 4:5. CaptionBolt automatically adjusts the video to the selected ratio and can fill the background with the blurred version of the video. You can also choose the custom solid background color and adjust the zoom. So, if you create both YouTube videos and vertical shorts and reels, this feature can really useful. Next, we have cover. Here, you can find the ready-made intro cover templates. You can select the template, customize it and use it at the beginning of your video. Next, let's look at the B-roll. CaptionBolt can automatically suggest the relevant B-roll for different parts of your video. You can preview the suggested clips, adjust their timing, delete anything if you don't like. You can also search for the B-roll. I search for money. As you can see, CaptionBolt gives me several money related clips that I can add to my video. And if you already have your own footage, you can upload it as well. Next, we have logos. You can upload your own logo and place it anywhere on the video. You can adjust the position, size and opacity according to your needs. Next, we have the progress bar. When you turn it on, you will see the progress bar on the video. You can fully customize it color, thickness, opacity, and position. Next, we have social post. Click generate post and AI will analyze your video and automatically create suitable title, description and tags for your video. You can also generate the content for your other social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. And finally, we have templates. You can use the ready-made template or you can save your own caption settings under my templates. This is especially useful if you create videos regularly because it can save your favorite editing style and reuse it with just one click. Once everything looks good, click on the top right corner export button. CaptionBolt start rendering your video. Once rendering is complete, you can download your final video as MP4 format. And that's it, the complete workflow. If you create content regularly, want to save your time in captions, then CaptionBolt is definitely worth checking out. You can also try the CaptionBolt free trial. And don't forget to check out their plans. If you're from the India, you can get 50% off on your first payment. So that was a complete look at CaptionBolt. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Code by Rushi and I will see you in the next video.